What if you could automate complex workflows in minutes, not hours? Medvi Quad is the AI tool creators and freelancers have been waiting for, and we're breaking down exactly how it works. Medvi Quad is a powerful AI automation platform designed for creators, freelancers, and small businesses. It combines quad-layer processing to handle multi-step workflows intelligently. Think of it as your personal AI assistant handling repetitive tasks, content optimization, data processing, workflow automation. It's built for speed and simplicity, even if you're not tech-savvy. Medvi Quad offers drag-and-drop automation, real-time collaboration, and integration with 50 Priest tools including Zapier and Make. You get unlimited workflows on premium plans, AI-powered insights processing. The real win, cut your repetitive work by 70 per hyphens. AI perfect for managing client projects, batch content creation, or data management without drowning in complexity. Getting started takes 5 minutes. Sign up, connect your favorite tools, and build your first workflow using pre-made templates or from scratch. The interface is intuitive. Just drag automation blocks, set triggers, and deploy. We recommend starting with a simple task like email automation, then scale to complex multi-step processes as you get comfortable. Freelancers save 10+ hours weekly automating client deliverables, content creators batch process videos and graphics instantly. Small businesses eliminate manual data entry completely. The affordability makes it accessible. Pricing starts at $29 month with a free tier to test everything first. Game changer for anyone droning in repetitive admin work. Found Medvi Quad valuable, a thought of mine. Would you elaborate? Subscribe for more iTool reviews, hit that like button, and comment which workflow you'd automate first.